Yeah, my country people, when I invite to our friends. When I invite to our friends, when I invite to our friends. I don't know if I dey play all those English music, some English music. I know they get myself. So may I pull my may I play music where I understand. Because if I dey play music when I understand, body go dey shock me. If I dey play music where I don't understand, and I don't know how my body they do me. So my people, when I invite to our friends, when I invite to our friends, when I invite to our friends, my country people. Yes, my country people. Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. So if you go there, you subscribe. It not do you anything. So yeah, let's go on. So my country people, Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. So Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel. So my country people, I don't come again for one fine wetin dey happen for this our country Nigeria. You they say it not concern me. Me say it not concern me. But our people are dying. People are dying. So what we want to do? What we want to do to help our people? What we want to do to carry our country forward? So what we will do to help our country people? People there, they are dying. People are suffering. So how we want to help them? So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. So my people, how we want to help our country? So that is the question now. How we want to help our country? Because our government now, they don't even know whether we exist at all. So my country people, how we want to help our country? Because you bring, me bring, it will help our country. So this country, maybe we not live for one person. As we not get government, So now we go help ourselves. We help ourselves because we don't get government. We don't get. So we need to help ourselves. As the thing can be now. So we need to help ourselves. Because we don't get government. So if you say, yeah, really, we get government, at least we foresee to see their performance. We don't get. So I'm gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. Please gonna subscribe there. So that when I will see my video, when I will see anytime I come on live. No need for person to tell you say Everyday Blessing day or live. It will supply, I will supply to you for your YouTube channel. So it will ring for your phone because I will supply for each everybody who subscribe. Not be anybody of you invite you again. Not be a person who can't invite you again. Say so everyday blessing day life. No. So it will ring for your phone. So you know say yes, everyday blessing day life. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing. Wait, I want to ask question. To subscribe to YouTube channel, abi most of we, let me put myself. If I say most of people, it will be like say I come on myself. Let me put myself now. Abi most of we don't know how to subscribe. I want to add, that is the question now. I want to ask. Most of we don't know how to subscribe for YouTube channel. Because I don't want to come on myself. I put myself inside. To ask this question. Most of we don't know how to subscribe. If you go to YouTube, search Everyday Blessing. If you come out, you play any video at all where you see there. Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. You will see red button for the under. They write subscribe there. You touch on. If you touch on, you don't subscribe with that. Finish. Abi they'll constantly pull person head for ground before you know how to subscribe. Abi na devil mind, abi na evil mind not make some people they subscribe for person face YouTube. Is it abi na evil mind? Not be to already tell you touch and come on there. Finish. Waiting they delay you. Person call me. He say, I say make them subscribe to my YouTube channel. He say waiting they happen. He called me, they asked me, say, waiting they happen. I say make them subscribe to my YouTube channel. They asked me, say, waiting they happen. When I say, you go there, subscribe. They asked me, say, waiting they happen. How? If you subscribe, you will see waiting they happen there now. For the person to go subscribe, he called me direct. They asked me, say, you say when he say me we subscribe, waiting they happen. You see, like say maybe they subscribe, now walk to run. I don't know. Or they will collect money for account or the account. So my brother, my sister, I know be so. So let me play Abba music. So I love all the whole tribe music. I have it. So I just play all the whole music all over the world. So let's go. Yeah, Charity. God bless you. I see you for the view. Abeg, come here. Let me see you very well. I see you already. Charity. You don't see wrong. God bless you. You stay or you wrong. God bless you. So coronavirus not the person they come out for us again. So everybody they ask. So what to do? My country people, please, I want to use opportunity to pass this message to my brothers and to my sisters out there. Let me first go for my sisters. Please, my sisters. No wait me person come they advise you again. Yeah, call it mine. God bless you. God bless you. All the way from Germany. God bless you. God bless you. God bless your home. All the way from Germany. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah, this is the man. All the way from Asian land. God bless you. God bless you. Onegbe. Ofure. Egbe fuwere. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. So, this message, I want to pass this message to my sister and my brothers. For this coronavirus, say may everybody stay at home. Any woman. Now this one we want to know man will love woman and woman will love man. God bless you. God bless you from France. God bless you. God bless you. But you not comment, but I see you for view. Yeah, you are watching me. Yeah, God bless you. But your name no appear here. God bless you. We go know for this period any woman who love man, any man who love woman. Because many men they lie, say I get appointments like this. But if it's coronavirus, everybody stay at home. So we not get any complaint now. Everybody don't stay house. So this opportunity for a woman to know the character of a boyfriend or a husband or a man, this opportunity to know the character of your wife or your girlfriend. If your girlfriend love you or not. If your wife love you or not. If your boyfriend love you or not. Or if your husband love you or not. Because many men they cheat on their wife. They will use a name of I get appointment or they go work till they shoot on their husband, their wife. Because the man they go work now. Even though say you get holiday that day, you can tell your wife or her say I they go work because your wife not go know. You from there go side chick area. So this opportunity, so we go know. Yeah, God bless you, my brother, from under mother. Opportunity to know man will love woman and woman will love man. So this opportunity, all women all over the world, your boyfriend or your husband. Now, husband will know whether you shall be cook or not. You shall be. You get one language where many people they make say Gwogodo. Any Benin will understand that language. Benin people they use that language where say Gwogodo. Gwogodo. Me for English language say woman wey sabi husband. Woman wey sabi take care of man. Benin calling Ogbogbodor. Now this coronavirus, most of men we know. Because some women tell we say their hair not even correct before. Because of say they can't find money in the Western world. They cheat on their boyfriend, cheat on their husband. They will get mad for her, go they do on that outside. They do for outside. If you ask them, if you tomorrow they come out for meeting and you ask them, say, why you go do one? He will say, like this. Which complaint? So, Samu Root. God bless you, Samu Root. God bless you. Where you are, I don't know where you are. I don't know where you are watching me from. I bet right where you are watching me from, so that may you receive this blessing. Somewhere Root. Where you are watching me from, I don't know. So write it there. So let me see where you are watching me from. God bless your family. God bless your home. Samuel Root. So I believe saying a woman. I believe saying a girl or a woman. Let they talk to me so, because Samuel na man, but the root na woman name. So I believe saying a woman. So anywhere you are watching me from, Samuel Root. God bless you. God bless you. So you will know your husband or your boyfriend love you. This coronavirus, because this coronavirus, it will show whether man love a woman or a woman love a man. This coronavirus. There's anything at all at home now. No complaint. Woman where they complain say my man not dey stay house. My man not dey stay house. Coronavirus. Okay, let me use our president's name till they pronounce it. COVID-19 virus. As it don't spread all over the world now. So women, we know man we love them. Men, we know woman we love them. Yeah, all the way from. Oh yeah, from Spain. Yeah, God bless you. From Spain. Yeah, God bless you. Samuel Root. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless your husband. God bless your boyfriend. If you don't marry, God bless your home. If you never marry, you have boyfriend. That your boyfriend is 2020. He will come to stay. He will not come. He will not come. He will not come to go. He will come to stay. God bless you. God bless your home. If now you never marry, now boyfriend you get, that boyfriend, if he gets for man before say he want to chop you and go, he will chop you and stay in Jesus' name. This 2020. He will plan how you take money for your head. He will plan you take marry you put for house. So if you don't marry already, God will bless you and your husband. All the way from Spain. Samuel Root, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Voilà, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Samuel Root. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel name, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. Just go to YouTube. You search Everyday. You give her space. Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. It will come out. Just subscribe there. Finish. Just press that red button. Don't finish with that. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Samuel Root. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. If you subscribe, Everyday Blessing will not remove from your home. Everyday Blessing will not come up for your house in Jesus' name. It will remain there. We carry chairs down. I will carry bed like down there. Everyday Blessing. We carry bed like that for your home. In Jesus' name. God bless you. God bless you. So, let me go straight to the point. Let me go straight to the topic. So, my brothers, sisters, now we will know woman will love man and man will love woman. Because many women, they are deceiver. Many men, they are deceiver. But one thing, women get simple heart. Yeah, God bless you, my brother. Because women get simple hearts. Because women, man heart strong past woman. Oh. For the percent. But women heart strong. Oh. But man heart strong past women. Oh. Because some women, they open their hearts because of, I love this man. I want to invest for this man. I want to invest for this man. So let me invest for the man. But at the end of the day, yeah, God bless you, Samuel Roots. So you know, say most of women, where they always some women where they always complain, say, men like this, like this. That like this. That one na woman statement. Because most of women, because the name of say they spend money for man, the name of say they get money past man. If you check this Western world, man, woman where they invest for man, woman where they always spend money for man, then they shit on that man. Then they shit on that man because of say that now then they invest for the man. So they forget say you invest for man, where they shit on now, that man will not marry you. Never. That man can never marry you. That is the problem where our women don't know. You invest for man. It means say you want to rule the man. You invest for man. It means say you want to talk with the happen for house. Because say you get money past the man. Now there women for faith. Now there women for faith. Now I be waiting. Women no feel check. Women need to check that area. Even say you get money past man. When you don't they prove say you want the Roland, that man must leave you. If you spend all your life for that man. When you know they respect the man because say you get money past the man, you invest for the man and you don't get respect. You go even call another man for the man present, or you go even you come up for her go see another man because say you invest for that man with the house. How you want to respect you, or how you want to marry people for house? So my country people, God bless you now. God bless you now. All the way from Spain, you are watching me. Samuel Roots, God bless you. God bless you. Roots. So your name are Roots. So that is the bottom. That is the root of the foundation. So God don't bless your roots. God don't stand you. God don't lay foundation in your house. God don't lay foundation. Your nail climb you roots. That is the root of the rich. The root of blessing. God bless you. Roots, Samuel Roots. God bless you. 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 Roots. God bless you. So, my country people, we use this language because many men not still know how to take care of a woman. Some women they will cut their head for man, but the man not they know the value. Yeah, my brother Inoma, God bless you. All the way from Germany, God bless you. Inoma Chris, God bless you and your family. God will remain your home in Jesus' name. If you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing will remain your home. Everyday Blessing. If you carry foam and bed and sit down in your home, you carry chair and foam, it will lie down, it will sit down. It will not remove from your home. Everyday Blessing will remain in your house. The normal Chris, God bless you. God bless your home. In Jesus' name. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, Norma. And your family now. All the way from Hamburg. God bless you. God bless you. Hamburg in Germany. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. My baby birthday is coming soon. 80% loading. 80% loading. Next month is my baby birthday. My baby birthday, the citizen of Deutschland. Now so, my brother, the citizen of Deutschland, want to do birthday next month. Invite everybody all over the world. So, based on who she be, he will deliver train and flights and bus, flight bus, whatever, to attend a birthday next month. Birthday. This is my princess, my queen, my diamond, my gold, my silver. We want to do a birthday. We want to celebrate our birthday next month. So invite everybody all over the world. But this is my princess. He dropped some flights for Africa. People will want flight from Africa to a birthday. So he dropped each flights for each country for Africa. He dropped flight for Asia country, each country for Asia country. He dropped flight for European, each country, trade anywhere. If you not fit take trade, or you take flights, or you take bus. So we know say yes, coronavirus don't take all over the world. So if you not feel attend the birthday, for your support, for your prayer, for your contribute, all join. He say me I announce so say our birthday is coming soon. So invite everybody all over the world. All over the world. Next month is our birthday. So Diamond, Princess, Queen, the number one princess all over the world. The number one beautiful in the world. So that's number one, no two. Part 2 never come out. So this for now. This my princess. Her birthday is next month. She want to celebrate her birthday. So she delivers some flights for different country and train and bus. So anybody who will take flight, we take flight. Who want to take train, we take train. So who want to take, you want to take leg to come there, you are free to come there. So anywhere, but because of the coronavirus, so the coronavirus will not close to you. Say, may I pass this message to you people in Jesus' name. So my country people, now all the whole style where you get, man, all the whole style you know for bed. This coronavirus, it will teach you. All the whole style where you get to make your woman happy in bed. Use that, my brother. Use it. Coronavirus will make you happy in home. Coronavirus will make your wife happy. Coronavirus will make your wife happy. Coronavirus will make your husband happy. Because now they're together now. No appointment, no disappointment. Say, yeah, I want to go see my friend. You know, day. Stay at home. Stay indoor. Where you they go, my brother? Can you tell me where you they go? Can you tell me where you they go? Can you tell me where you they go? Can you tell me where you they go, my brother? So you don't get where you they go. Remain there. Remain with your wife. Remain with your wife. Remain with your wife. Remain with your wife there. Anything you want to do, do one with your wife there. Do one with your husband there. Some men where they use work, some men where they use work till they treat their wife and they go work. I get work today. Even say they not get work, you will tell your wife, say, I get work today. Sit down there. Sit down there. Sit down, make your wife cook vasa. Soup, give you. Eat. Etara. Now you get time. You don't need to take permission from anybody. Who talk you come out na be? Who talk you come out na spoil? Forget that. You spoil past me where they talk and so. You spoil past me. You will go to say, see what this man they talk. You spoil past me. Why you dey open leg for the man if you not spoil? So forget that one. Cook Versace or Amani soup. Amani JJ Amani soup. Give your guy, may eat. May eat where he belly full so that you feel climb you. Since you they complain, say your guy not dey stay house. Coronavirus don't grab your guy now. You don't tie your guy for house. You don't feel come for her now. Say you want to go see friends. Sit down there. Give her the soup. Give her the food. May eat. I want to pass this message to my people. All men all over the world, all men, all boys, men have wife now. Boys have girlfriend, right? Men have wife. Boys, Abi, no. Men we don't marry. Okay, let's put it like that. Men we don't marry. Men we get wife. And men we don't get girlfriend too. For this coronavirus, because we never know the dates we want expire. We never know the dates we want stop. We want finish. May you and your wife, your girlfriend, more than they share kitchen, more than they share. No sit down, fold your hand. Oh. If I hear you are this man. If I hear and say you sit down, they fold down. You want burn your wife. You want burn your wife for kitchen. If I hear more than the share kitchen. Now, as we got the house now, more than the share house, more than the share kitchen. So if now this week you share, this week you share. So my country people, so this music where they play, so say Tadolo Moji or Monadolo Maji. So yeah, that is true. So when you take care of your children, so your children will take care of you. When you don't old, sabi work again. They feel they go work again. Maybe say your waist don't break, or your hand or your leg don't break. You don't do one place, or you don't passion for work. So now your pikin where you take care of, and you will continue to take care of you. But if you not take care of your children when you born them, where your waist don't break, how you want to survive? That's why you see some men today that they suffer, that they pass through pain because they not take care of their children when they use their prick to deliver to this world. So my country people, I want to pass this message to my men all over the world. Why most of women? Because I already put myself, because nobody is perfect. Nobody will grow finish, they. Why most of women, they do that kind of thing? Pikin where you born, like want take care of her. One thing I discover on my own, woman where you born for man. For example, say maybe you not marry the man, you not marry the woman again. That woman, not concern you. The children where that woman born for you. Now be your life. Take care of that children. Even though say the woman carry the children wrong, say you want to go chop adoro or whatever, anywhere, the country, maybe you go country where they shop adoro or anywhere. Find a solution where you take care of that children. Even those in our pampers. Even in a papa you feel provide, no problem, because something there for front where you benefit. Yeah. Who they call me here? So, Nore, God bless you. What is the way now? Nore Ivie Iyamu. Oka for smart. What is the way? Nore, what is the way now? Nore Dana. God bless you. God bless you. God bless your whole. Nore, where you they watch me from? Where? Right hand, come on, let me see. Nore, where you for they watch me? So let me pray for you. Nore, I see something. I see something in you. I see something. Nore, where you they watch me from? Right hand, let me see you. Let me see the country where you are watching me from. Nore, where you for the watch me? Right now, let me see you. Let me see where you for the watch me. Because I don't see you. I don't see you for many area. Nore, I don't see you for many application. There is some application where I see your name there. So I see your name there. So I see your name. Beautiful. So where you watch me from? Right now, let me see you. Let me see you where you for the watch me. Nori, because I don't see you for most of, because there is so many application where I don't operate. They always see you there. So tell me where you are watching me from. So let me deliver my blessing to you. So this period now with coronavirus, they attend. We could have they attend everybody. So women, that soup where they cook, we be saying na so water. May you change that now. You know, say most of now see they do something wrong. We be say man go they carry side chick now. Man will go for side chick. Some housewives see the error. Some housewives see the fuck up now. So I don't know who call me. Who be this one? Will call me? Francis, don't call me for this phone. If you want to call me, let me drop my number for you. Francis, my number is there. +39 35 11 98 7215. Let me pronounce them again. +39 35 11 98 7215. You can call there. So, but because they call me for messenger before, so I don't. Francis, stop calling me in Facebook. I give you my number there. If you are watching me there, if you are watching me, Francis, if you are watching me, +39 35 11 98 7215. Call my number. Don't call me on messenger, okay? Okay. God bless you, Francis. Francis, where you are watching me from, God bless you. But you will try to call me. But call my number. Don't call me for messenger, please. Okay. Yeah, God bless you. Really, yeah. Who is this? So let me say you. Yeah, lovely. OG, God bless you. Lovely OG, God bless you. So if you want to write me for the comment. So let me see your comment here. Not write me for messenger. I cannot see your messenger now. So comment for this live video. So that I can read your message. I can read your comment here. So may most of our women, may we see they get character. Most of our women don't get character. I don't discover things so because I don't know how I will take deliver this message. Woman wey don't spend 10 years go up in Europe. Most of them don't get character. No. Some men, the same thing with men. And another one again, some men wey new come Europe. Women wey no new come Europe, no still get character. But the character is different. Woman wey don't spend 10 years go up. The dirty character wey she gets is different for 10 years come down. Dirty character wey that one gets. Because the character na different thing, na different dirty character. Na everybody gets. From 10 years come down, the dirty character wey they get now. I want help my family. 10 years come down. That the dirty character wey they get. I want help my family. But for the dirty character wey from 10 years go up get, they will tell you waiting not they exist again. They will tell the man, say now wetin dey happen with this one. Wetin you know? As far as say you don't deal on that man, you don't get voice, you don't get wetin you want, you don't get wetin you want break come out again. You don't deal on that man. Let that man dey rule you. Now that area, now women not take get character. For man wey don't spend 10 years go up. Because they no one listening to man. They no one listening to man at all. No, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Because when I use that language, when I arrive Italy, some country calling Italy, some country calling Italia. When I arrive Italy, after 2 months for Italy, e get some garden where people they sit down. We can't go the garden, go sit down, go relax for there. I can't see some people. So because based on we new come Europe now, you the observe people, you the look people. I can't see the year say this one don't tell, this one don't tell, this one don't tell. One day I can't get up. I can't say I want to ask this question. I say I want to ask this question. I go meet one man. I call the ask him. I say, pardon. I say, I beg you, give it to me. I want to ask you. He say, okay, waiting me that one. And I say, where all those jando? Where all those jando? Where would they see for Nigeria? And I say, wait then. The man, you laugh. He say, jando? And I say, yes. Because me enter Europe, when I did Africa, I did see people who come from Europe that time. But as me come enter, me not see them again. Me no know say as me new come, me blind oh, me no know say me blind that time. Me go meet this man, I say, I want to see Jando. He say, the man, you talk true. He say, you see people where you're here, so now guide you, they sit down, some they smoke, some they chop bread, some they drink mineral, some they do whatever. He say, all those people where you sit down, so he say, now them be Jando. And I say, no, not be all those ones they talk. All those people where they call Nigeria at that time. Now those ones they find. He say, now them be this one. And I say, but why they you rough? And I say, why they dirty like this now? No, but that time if they call Nigeria, then they find. He say, now they be this one because I don't dey inside. And I say, okay, now they be this one. He said, because when you dey Africa, you go they look them like king. They're not close to king. They don't smell king. They don't smell king. They don't smell king. But where would they Africa? People who come from Western world, would they look them like gold? They not be silver. Common silver, they not be silver. Don't they say when everyone say they be king or they be gold or diamond? They not near diamond. Now see, so now you see some, their hand here. Some go black, some go red, blue, purple, green, horse blood. Yeah. Now see, he say now there be this one. I'm surprised that day. I not feel sleepy. Now see, so now the Jando be all those one. Now then be this one you dey see so. My people, when I subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. So my people, wetin I use this statement means that may anybody not dey low down person wey new come today, he will still turn to big person tomorrow. I don't see a lot of people wey don spend 20 years wey dey rent house for person wey dey spend 3 years in Europe. Person wey don spend 20 years in Europe, you will go rent house for person wey dey spend 3 years. So to just say this life not be the way we reason am. So mon article ou dis-moi say When I invite my friends, when I subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. Because if I look where for commot, I can't look where I day today. You need to you yourself, you where they look me so, you need to tap the blessing from me. You need to tap blessing from me. You need to tap blessing from me. I tell you, we are for the come, and we are day to day. Yeah, Mona, give me 1 minute. Vico, all the way from Germany. God bless you for watching. V Money, God bless you. God bless you. All the way from Germany. God bless you. God bless you. That is Vico. God bless you, Vico. God bless you. God bless you all. 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 My country people, God bless you all. Wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel? Wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. Wanna subscribe there, so that now they see my different news where they come out, not be where they gossip, not be where then they measure, where they insult everybody. Now the most of Nigeria they like to stay. So when they talk of good news or they talk waiting they bring sense enter our brain. about the grade the listing. Now where they say you are mad, you are crazy, you are fool. Our country people, I trust them for that area. Now there they carry check, they will sit down there. So my country people, wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV Top Show. I know they see comments again for here. I know they see comments again here.